What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a ring light that I recently purchased from Amazon from the company called Yesker. And in the video, I'll be showing you all the things that came when I received the package. This right here is like a key, and along with the ring light and different other gadgets. I'm sorry, that's not a key. I mean like a clicker that helps control the video and turn it on and off. So I purchased this ring light because I wanted to add a little bit more lighting to my videos instead of natural lighting. Like, natural lighting is good in the daytime. When it hits night, I would like to keep recording. So that was the main reason I purchased the ring light, to just get started, more, taking my YouTube more serious. This little thing right here helps me turn it on and off without, having to get up and cut it on and off. So check this out. The video's going right now. This is gonna stop. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna test out the different lightings. The first up will be the white light. Let's see how that works. It's not coming. Wow, it's bright. Jesus. Okay, and the next one would be the warm light. And the other one will be the soft light. Can y'all see the difference? Okay, I definitely can see the difference in the soft light. Let's try this again. So we're gonna do the white light. Okay, and the warm light. Okay, and then we're gonna do the soft light. Okay, pretty good. Show you guys where your phone would go. It has this little slit thingy right here where you can like open it up and you can adjust your phone. Cause I have like an iPhone, and you can like open it up. And see right here, you can like just attach your phone with it, just right up in there. Yep, just like that. Thank you, Bobby. So it also has an adjustable. It's adjustable, so you can like turn it this way. You can also turn it upward and that way. So you can pretty much bend it in which way you would want the phone to go. So that's helpful when you're trying to adjust in weird or awkward angles. So yeah, that's the end of the unboxing. I'm ready to see what this thing can do at nighttime, so to see if it's really worth it. Yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos.